about Thomas Hunt Morgan. He was one of the American biologist, and he used fruit fly, scientific name of fruit fly, that is zoologically that Drosophila melanogaster. And in genetic research, this Morgan's experiment were established, and chromosomal theory of heredity was being explained by T.H. Morgan. He carried out the work on Drosophila melanogaster, and he also discovered the principle of linkage, sex linkage, and crossing over. यानी क्रोमोसोम्स पता चल गए हमें, तो क्रोमोसोम्स के ऊपर जीन्स होते हैं ये भी पता चल गया, और ये जीन्स इनका लोकेशन कहाँ कहाँ है. द लोकेशन ऑफ द जीन्स ऑन दैट क्रोमोसोम play the vital role in variation. So Morgan's experiment or Morgan's work played the key role in the field of the genetics, and he was awarded a Nobel Prize in 1933 in physiology and medicine. So he used this Drosophila melanogaster, which is again a fruit fly. अगर हमको हमें इसे देखना है तो आप घर पे भी इसको, अगर मान लो आपने कुछ फ्रूट लाए हैं और आपके डाइनिंग एरिया में उसको रखा हुआ है, फॉर एग्जांपल व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट बनानाज, एप्पल्स, तो देखो छोटे छोटे जो ऐसे फ्लाइज आती है, इंसेक्ट, हमारी वो हाउस फ्लाई नहीं, ये अलग है, ये फ्रूट फ्लाई है, तो वो फ्रूट्स के ऊपर बैठती है, दैट इज ड्रोसोफिला मेलानोगास्टर. So Morgan used this Drosophila melanogaster for his experiment because Drosophila can easily be cultured in the laboratory. यानी लैब में वो इजीली कंट्रोल कर कल्चर किए जा सकते थे. इट्स लाइफ स्पैन इज शॉर्ट, अबाउट 2 weeks, ओनली 2 weeks, एंड मोर ओवर इट हैज़ हाई रेट ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन. जैसे मेंडिल ने पी प्लांट के ऊपर वर्कआउट किया, साल में 3 बार वो पी प्लांट्स का उत्पादन ले सकता था, या उसका वेरिएशंस वो पैटर्न्स वो देख रहा था, वैसे ही मॉर्गन ने ड्रोसोफिला के ऊपर देखकर ये कंक्लूजन कर दिया कि द वर्क विच वाज बीन कैरिड आउट बाय द मेंडिल, और व्हाट वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट यस्टरडे, दैट क्रोमोसोमल थ्योरी एंड मेंडिल्स वर्क्स. तो क्रोमोसोमल थ्योरी ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस की हमने कल बात की, so that was compared with the Mendel works, or that is law of independent assortment. The similar patterns were being given up, and now today we know that the chromosomes are present up, and this chromosome has the patches which are having the various certain genes. Okay, so these genes, the gene which are present on the chromosome, are having the different locus, different positions, and on behalf of that, Morgan's experiment, which he carried out on the Drosophila, he gave the complete explanation that how the linkage, he carried out the various certain terms, and he explained the linkage and the crossing over. We know in when we talk about in the mitosis and the meiosis, in the meiosis one of the most important event occurs sexually reproducing organisms में. क्रॉसिंग ओवर एक ऐसा इवेंट है जहाँ पे change of genetic material is been carried out, and this change of genetic material leads to carry out the variation, and this variation experiments were being given up by Morgan. यानी वहाँ से Morgan and his group of that scientists, they carry out, they explain that chromosomes contain number of the genes, or that are the unit of heredity. So chromosomal theory of inheritance supported the Mendel works and various certain laws which were being put forth by Mendel. And after that, when we talk about the acceptance of this chromosomal theory was being laid or carried out by the Morgan's work. So today in our lecture, we will go and discuss about the Morgan's work, and somehow we will talk about the chromosomes and what are the various types of the chromosomes and how many number of the chromosomes are being present up. Because according to the number of the chromosomes, the terminology in our the textbook, it has been given up, that is ploidy, means the variation in the chromosome number leads to ploidy, and this वेरिएशन इन द नंबर व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट इन द ह्यूमन बींग में कितने क्रोमोसोम्स होते हैं? यस, इन ह्यूमन
46.
46 chromosomes are being present, और 23 pairs of the chromosome, जिसमें से 22 ऑटोसोम्स है, autosomes which carry out the somatic characteristic features, plus one sex chromosome which determines the sex. Sex determination भी एक टॉपिक, एक टर्म हमें आएगा. So the chromosomal theory of inheritance was accepted only after the Morgan's work, which he carried out on the Drosophila. Various certain results were been given up after some year. थॉमस मॉर्गन के वर्क से हमें पता चला. Now with these experiments of Morgan, Bovary Sutton theory of inheritance was also accepted, as well as the Gregor Mendel works was been also observable, and this was the laws of Mendel's were been all accepted. So here, after that, when we talk about our the next uh, video, or when we talk about our the next point, that is the number of the chromosomes. What I am talking about. Let us complete this number of the chromosome. Page number 57 ये हमारा point रह जाएगा. Then we will go with then we will go towards the Morgan's work. Now, as the structure or as the study was revealed that what are the chromosomes and how many chromosomes are present in human somatic as well as reproductive cell, the study was been revealed, as we know that the chromosome term was been coined by W. Walder in 1888, as well as the size of the chromosomes varies from species to species, and the number also varies from species to species. So the term ploidy speaks for the degree or repetition of the primary basic number of the chromosomes. Okay, so this number of the chromosomes differentiate, और जैसे हमने टेक्स्ट बुक में दिया है यहाँ पे here. So structure as well as the number of the chromosome which are been given up. So chromosome which are visible, best visible under microscope when the cell is at metaphase stage. हमने mitosis and meiosis का experiment या slides जो 11th में हमने देखी. So on behalf of variation in the number of the chromosomes, that is said to be as ploidy. उसको हम ploidy बोलेंगे. The number variation in chromosome number is said to be as ploidy. So it has been differentiated into euploidy means true, and aneuploidy means where the disorder or misplace is been given up. Euploidy में there is a monoploidy, single, diploid, poly. Now this polyploidy is mostly seen only in the plants, not in the animals. Monoploidy, diploidy conditions are seen in the animals. Remember this also. So coming to the video, when we talk about the various certain chromosomal pattern, just we'll go for this. Euploidy, aneuploidy. Here. Now, when we talk about during the mitosis and meiosis, when the chromosome number का अगर dysfunctioning हो गया, non-disjunction हो गया, then it varies into the various certain chromosomal disorders. वो एक chromosomal number में अगर कुछ हो जाता है, तो it is differentiated into aneuploidy and euploidy. And chromosomal structure में अगर difference हो जाता है, तो वो चला जाएगा. Look out. When we talk about aneuploidy, in the condition aneuploidy की अगर हम बात करते हैं, here either it is addition or deletion of one or more chromosome. We'll talk about the chromosome first and then we will go towards the Morgan's experiment. Okay, मेरी आवाज आ रही है सबको? You are getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So when we talk about any particular addition और deletion अगर chromosomes में हो जाता है, अब तक तो हमने genetics में यहाँ तक हम आ गए हैं कि the various certain chromosomes are being present in the various living organism, चाहे वो plant हो या animal हो, और उसी numbers of chromosomes पे उस plant और animal का identity define करा जाता है. For example, human beings में there are 46 number of the chromosome, no doubt. As well as in the animal, जैसे मैंने कल बोला कि in elephant the chromosome number varies, in the sparrow, parrot वगैरह ये सारे, as well as in the plants. So here the ploidy is nothing but variation in the chromosome number. Aneuploidy की अगर हम बात करते तो aneuploidy is differentiated into hypoploidy and hyperploidy. As in our the textbook what has been given up, aneuploidy is differentiated into hypo. Hypo means low number, as well as hyper means लार्ज नंबर यानी ज़्यादा. हाइपोप्लाइडी में या तो मोनोसोमी या नलोसोमी हो सकते हैं। एन्यूप्लॉइडी मोस्टली इट इज बीन कैरिड आउट इन एनिमल्स, मैंने बोला आपको एनिमल्स। एंड हियर हाइपरप्लॉइडी यानी एक से ज्यादा या दो से ज्यादा यानी ट्राई कंडीशन हो गए, दो क्रोमोसोम से ज्यादा, 2n+1 मीन्स डिप्लॉयड +1 ट्राइसोमी which also leads into the disorder, and tetrasomy which also leads into the disorder. So here when we see this aneuploidy condition, aneuploidy is either addition or deletion of the chromosome during the gametogenesis, gamete formation होने के वक्त अगर कुछ गड़बड़ हो जाती है zygote में, then it leads into the gain or loss of the chromosome, and this gain and loss of the chromosome is differentiated into trisomy, मोनोसोमी। जो हम आगे पढ़ेंगे ट्राइसोमी एंड मोनोसोमी विच आर नथिंग बट द क्रोमोसोमल डिसऑर्डर्स रिलेटेड टू क्रोमोसोमल नंबर, दैट इज एन्यूप्लॉइडी। सी द टर्मिनोलॉजी, क्रोमोसोमल डिसऑर्डर में क्रोमोसोमल नंबर में एन्यूप्लॉइडी, एन्यूप्लॉइडी में ट्राइसोमी एंड मोनोसोमी। यहाँ पे एक मार्क के क्वेश्चन बनते हैं। एन्यूप्लॉइडी क्या है? इट इज द यानी डिसऑर्डर्स रिलेटेड टू क्रोमोसोम्स and addition or deletion. Aneuploidy is nothing but the addition or deletion of the chromosome to the total number of the chromosome in that particular organism or in that particular cell, as per given in our the textbook chart 3.5. Okay, next monosomy. When we talk about this monosomy condition या trisomy condition की अगर हम बात करते हैं, डिप्लॉयड कंडीशन है नॉर्मल सेल्स में, लेकिन गैमेटोजेनेसिस के दौरान अगर एक्स्ट्रा क्रोमोसोम ऐड हो गया, यानी ह्यूमन बींग्स में 46 क्रोमोसोम्स होते हैं और ट्राइसोमी हो गई, तो इस कंडीशन को ट्राइसोमी कहा जाएगा, या अनदर नेम इट इज बीन गिवन अप, दैट इज वन ऑफ द डिसऑर्डर। और यहाँ पे अगर क्रोमोसोम लॉस हो गया या डिलीट हो गया, दैट आल्सो लीड इनटू द मोनोसोमी। एज वी नो, हम ह्यूमन बींग का एग्जांपल देख रहे हैं कि ह्यूमन बींग में 46 नंबर ऑफ द क्रोमोसोम इज द नॉर्मल सेल क्रोमोसोम्स। If it is trisomy means it is addition and a 47 number. If it is deletion, that is monosomy, that is 45 number of the chromosomes. Okay? आगे ये हमें एज अ डिसऑर्डर्स में हम इसकी बात करेंगे, एज अ डिसीज के रूप में हम इसकी बात करेंगे। Now when we talk about the euploidy, it is a formation of more than two haploid sets of the chromosome, or euploidy can be differentiated into mono, diploidy and polyploidy. When we talk about this euploidy, monoploidy, diploidy and polyploidy, tri, tetra, penta, ploidy condition. So these are the various certain chromosomal number disorders: Down syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome and Turner syndrome, which we will study. अभी ट्राइसोमी की हम जो बात कर रहे थे, it is said to be as tri. When we talk about the trisomy, it is the condition, or it is one of the aneuploidy condition where addition of one chromosome is being given up, and that leads into the Down syndrome. It is one of the disease जहाँ पे वन एक्स्ट्रा कॉपी ऑफ 21st क्रोमोसोम इज बीन गिवन अप। ये सेट ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स है, उसमें एक और क्रोमोसोम का एडिशन हो जाना, ऑटोसोम्स में एक एडिशन हो जाना, इस कंडीशन को ट्राइसोमी कहेंगे। It was been given by Dr. Langdon Down, who described this Down syndrome. Side by side, we will also discuss with the various certain symptoms what are being seen in the Down syndrome. Just a minute. Klinefelter syndrome is again one of the addition to the 23rd pair, यानी जो सेक्स क्रोमोसोम से, it is a sex linked disease where the addition of that chromosome is been given up, and it was been described by Dr. Harry Klinefelter. You are getting or not? नहीं तो हम क्या करेंगे, इसको हम बाद में लेंगे. We'll directly go towards the structure of the chromosome, because these are all the concepts which are being depend on the number of the chromosome, and this number of the chromosome is depend on the various certain disorders which are being given up in this book. Okay. So the addition and deletion, these all mechanisms are directly said to be as euploidy and aneuploidy. And euploidy can be described again into, that is monoploidy, means haploid, diploidy and polyploidy. Monoploidy, diploidy, these are been mostly seen in the animals, and polyploidy condition Na3 and 4 and 5 are mostly seen in the plants. Then aneuploidy का concept या term क्या है कि the addition and deletion of the chromosome, it leads into hypoploidy and hyperploidy. Hypoploidy में 2n+1 monosomy, nullosomy हो जाएगी, या trisomy and tetrasomy. This all will lead into the various certain disorders. Next, just a minute. When we talk about the structure of the chromosome, as we know from the lower classes, you are being learning about the various certain parts of the chromosome, that one centromere is being present up, the two arms are being present up, that are said to be as chromonemata and chromomere. So the parts of the chromosomes are being described in the figure A as well as B, and morphologically, or we can say the structure of the chromosome is being differentiated into various certain parts, that is nuclear organization, centromere, kinetochore, the primary and the secondary constructions, and the tip portion is the telomere. According to their position of the centromere, the chromosomes are being differentiated into metacentric, यानी जिसका centromere center में है वो chromosome कहलाएंगे metacentric. Then when we talk about the अकॉर्डिंग टू द पोजीशन ऑफ द सेंट्रोमियर, यहाँ पे ये मेटासेंट्रिक है, तो यहाँ पे आएगा, ये आपका एक्टिविटी है, यहाँ पे आएगा सब मेटासेंट्रिक. ओके, जस्ट यहाँ पे मेटासेंट्रिक मीन्स पोजीशन ऑफ द सेंट्रोमियर इज मिडल, यहाँ पे आएगा मिडल, और यहाँ पे आएगा सब मेटासेंट्रिक. तो ये बाकी के तीन आपको करने हैं फिर. The study the types of chromosome according to the position of centromere. Observe and complete the following table. So when we talk about the structure of the chromosome, depending upon the position of centromere, there are four types of the chromosomes: acrocentric, telocentric, submetacentric and metacentric. So the ends of the chromosome, that is chromatids, are known as telomeres. And next, when we talk about in the animals or in the organisms, sex chromosomes are the chromosomes which determines the sex of that individual or of that organisms. Okay, so coming to the point, we were talking about Morgan. हम थोड़ा Morgan की बात कर रहे थे. Let us go with that Morgan experiment. Just a minute. Yes, you are getting the screen. Now when we talk about Morgan, he carried out the explanation, or he gave the explanation. That chromosomes are present up, and on the chromosomes the various certain genes are being present up which are responsible for the variation. Okay, we'll take a certain video related to the variations. You see here, we have seen the various certain variation patterns in all the living organism. So the linkage, the crossing over and the recombination, these all the terms were being explained by Thomas Hunt Morgan, which he is said to be as one of the father of modern genetics. Father of genetics, Mendel; author of modern genetics, that is Morgan. Remember this 1 mark questions, or what we can say the various certain competitive examinations में जो क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं CET NEET में, 5 to 10% of the questions are just based on the name of the scientist, keyword, who gave, who name, who is father of genetics, who is father of cytology, etc etc. तो जैसे हमने 11th में हर एक चैप्टर के साइंटिस्ट के नाम निकाले थे एंड द वर्क, पता है ना आपको, हमने एक प्रोजेक्ट किया था 11th में the chapter wise
Yes,
you
sir.
have to note down the scientist. That will complete your 5 to 10% of, that will cover your 5 to 10% of the NEET questions which are framed directly with the name of that scientist and work of that scientist. Okay, so when we talk about Thomas Morgan is said to be as the father of modern genetics. He gave the explanation of variations, he gave the explanation of linkage, he gave the explanation related with the crossing over and recombination. Recombination means the various certain patterns of the genes are being given up and they are being carried out or carried forward in the generation to the generation. जैसे मेंडल में हमने देखा the various certain patterns of the genes were being transfer. F1 जनरेशन में पहले उसने एक, अगर हम टॉल एंड ड्वार्फ प्लांट को क्रॉस किया, उसने क्रॉसिंग ओवर यानी क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन करने के बाद F1 जनरेशन में सभी कैसे मिले? मेंडल ने एक टॉल एंड एक ड्वार्फ प्लांट को क्रॉस करने के बाद F1 जनरेशन में सभी प्लांट उसको कैसे मिले? हाइट के, अगर हम बात करते हैं मोनो हाइब्रिड रेशो की, मोनो हाइब्रिड क्रॉस की, तो सभी टॉल मिले, बराबर. And in F2 generation he got again the parental generation, that is 3:1 ratio. Mono hybrid cross, mono hybrid ratio 3:1, that is 3 tall and 1 dwarf. Likewise, when we talk about Mendel also carry out the work on the Drosophila, and what are the various certain reason for Morgan choosing this Melanogaster for his research. जैसे मेंडल ने वर्कआउट किया कि भाई पी प्लांट एक साल में 3 बार उसको हम लगा सकते हैं, 60 days का प्लांट है, तो we can he can carry out the number of the various generations. Here also Morgan, reasons for Morgan choosing Melanogaster was that this fruit fly grows easily in the laboratory. Next, he found that this all Drosophila produces large number of the offspring in one generation. Male and the female can be clearly differentiated. Is analysis due to 4 pairs of chromosomes and various variations or wild varieties were been seen. See, यहाँ पे ये जो दिखाई दे रहे हैं, अगर हम थोड़ा पीछे जाते हैं हमारे टेक्स्ट बुक में हम जो बात कर रहे थे, द वेरियस सर्टन मल्टीपल अलील्स की, नॉर्मल विंग्स, okay, nicked wings, then notched wings, strapped wings, vestigial wings. वैसे ही आई कलर देखो उनका, the pattern of eye color, yellow bodied, थोड़ा red eye, brown bodied, red brown, isn't it? So this all easy analysis were been find out, which were been easy to see under the microscope also. और इसकी लाइफ साइकिल अगर हम देखते तो वेरी शॉर्ट लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ 2 वीक्स ओनली. आप सोचिए 2 वीक्स का फ्रूट फ्लाई का लाइफ साइकिल है, तो ही कैरिड आउट द वेरियस सर्टन एक्सपेरिमेंट एंड ही रिवील्ड, he gave the explanation of linkage, crossing over and recombination, and that all are contributed as the Mendel's, that all are contributed as the Morgan's experiment, which shows the linkage and crossing over. Now when we talk about the linkage, understand this term. We know chromosome now. On the chromosome there are certain patterns of the genes which are located, and these patterns of the genes can transfer during the gametogenesis, during the crossing over, and so the variation patterns are being seen in the generation to the generation. That is the main concept behind the Morgan's experiment. Remember. Next 5 minutes और लेंगे हम और फिर रुकेंगे यहाँ पे. विल कंटिन्यू दिस मॉर्गन्स एक्सपेरिमेंट इन अगेन आवर द नेक्स्ट सेशन आल्सो, क्योंकि हमें क्रोमोसोम समझना भी इम्पोर्टेंट था. So Morgan gave the term linkage, the crossing over, recombination, and the various certain parental at which he has been concluded. We are having the slides figure 3.8 in the textbook. We have to study. So you go thoroughly with the textbook. See here, see this. See the cross 1, cross 2, the Morgan experiment, parental, कैपिटल एंड स्मॉल लेटर्स, या हमें पता है जेनेटिक टर्मिनोलॉजी, हम बार बार आपको बोल रहे हैं कि जेनेटिक टर्मिनोलॉजी में कैपिटल लेटर्स आर शोन फॉर और मीन फॉर, यस, कैपिटल लेटर्स एंड स्मॉल लेटर्स का क्या राज है जेनेटिक्स में? टू शो डोमिनेंसी एंड रिसेसिव, डोमिनेंसी दिखाने के लिए विच लेटर, कैपिटल और स्मॉल?
Capital.
Capital letters, and for the dominancy that are the small letters. Remember this, always remember this, whenever the examples which are being given up, or whenever the certain examples are carried out for the explanation, that one pea plant, tall pea plant या red color pea plant cross with the white color pea plant, dominant recessive कौन से क्या है, 7 characters, वो सब आपको पढ़ने पड़ेंगे. So when we talk of here, the cross first and cross second is been given. ये symbol तो पता है ना, male and female. So here these are the yellow and white chromosomes with the wild type. Okay, plus sign indicates the wild type. And what are the various certain generations which are being given up? Parental type 98.7%. With the help of video we will explain this. So when we talk about the crossing over which was being carried out by Morgan, he crossed yellow bodied white eyed female with जिनका जीनोटाइप स्मॉल y स्मॉल w, with the brown bodied red eye male which is wild type. F1 generation में what he got? Yellow and white. So when we talk about the plus sign, it represents the dominant wild type allele. Remember this. आपको अगर इस पर क्वेश्चन आया तो ये समझना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. We are talking about the Morgan's experiment which shows the linkage and crossing over. I repeat, which shows the linkage and crossing over. And इसी बदौलत या इसी आधार पर हम ह्यूमन बींग्स में नंबर ऑफ द वेरियस सर्टन लिंकेज एंड क्रॉसिंग ओवर एज वेल एज द क्रोमोसोमल डिसऑर्डर्स की बात करेंगे. सो व्हाट ही डिड फर्स्ट, लेट अस रिपीट अगेन. देखो, येलो बॉडीड वाइट आई फीमेल क्रॉस विथ brown bodied red eyed male wild type. Okay, these are the parental generation. क्रोमोसोम्स के ऊपर ये दिखाए हुए सभी येलो एंड व्हाइट के जीन्स पैटर्न है. प्लस साइन रिप्रेजेंट द डोमिनेंट वाइल्ड टाइप alleles. And F1 generation में what he got? Wild type as well as yellow white. And F2 generation में there were the pattern parental type that is 98.7% and recombinant type that is 1.3%. Exactly this experiment, when we talk about, when he observed that the two genes did not segregate independently of each other, and F2 ratio which was been deviated very significantly from 9:3 3:3 3:1 ratio मेंडल ने जो दिया था, वैसे कुछ रिजल्ट्स यहाँ पे नहीं मिले. So Morgan and his group knew that the genes which were located on X chromosome and stated that when two genes in a dihybrid cross are situated on the same chromosome, then the proportion of parental recombination is much higher than the non-parental type. Here also, when we see the F2 generation, यहाँ पे male and female में, the wild type and yellow white and the wild type and yellow type in F2 generation, their parental type is 98.7% as recombination. So genes Y and W did not separate independently. आप color patches पे से जा सकते हो. See here. Parental generation, F1 generation में what they got, and in F2 generation male and female का variation. So when we talk of here, only the X chromosome bears the genes. यानी इससे से ये पता चला कि there are certain genes which are present on the chromosome which are linked together. So the parental gene combination is greater than the non-parental gene combination. यानी number of the chromosomes and कौन से chromosomes पे कितने genes present है ये आज हमें पता है. That is again the science which is called as karyotyping. Karyotyping means we know that which number of the chromosome contain how many number of the genes and which chromosome has a particular type of a gene. आज तो हम ह्यूमन जीनोम प्रोजेक्ट की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो इन ह्यूमन जीनोम प्रोजेक्ट आप आगे आएगा. In human genome project, the project which was been launched by the US department, we know the total number of the genes. और कौन से क्रोमोसोम में कौन सा जीन है फॉर द सोमेटिक मीन्स कलर ऑफ स्किन, कलर ऑफ आई, हेयर, वट एवर that all were been revealed by this experiment. So what we'll do, we'll stop here and next we'll discuss in the next period. हम ये मॉर्गन्स एक्सपेरिमेंट फिर से रिपीट करेंगे. ठीक है, we'll stop here, next we'll discuss in the next period. So take care.